Imagine getting paid to help people achieve a lifestyle, body, and business they love. In other words, getting paid to live your dream. What does it mean to live your dream? Is it time freedom? A body you love? Financial stability? Luxury experiences? A community of friends? Or is it all of that and more? Partner up with PartnerCo to get the backing, support, and friendship of people worldwide who, just like you, want to get paid to live their dream. With PartnerCo, we take the hard work out of entrepreneurship by eliminating huge startup risks and costs, giving you instant access to in-demand health and wellness products and sharing in the company profits. After all, we're partners. Get products guaranteed, tested, and proven to help you live a happier, healthier life. With more than 215 published clinical studies, 1,040 annual quality tests, and over 30 physician endorsements, we've ensured every PartnerCo product meets our high-quality, potency, and authenticity standards. Access a plug-and-play business where we provide the products, marketing, logistics, and more, while you get rewarded with money, travel, and training. You have 8 different ways to get paid with limitless earning potential. And you can take your business global to more than 50 markets where we're available worldwide. Enjoy luxury experiences and fun events where we celebrate you. Imagine more travel, adventure, and excitement, all while we celebrate your success. Start living your dream with PartnerCo. Become a brand partner today